Hello drone enthusiasts. Welcome back to South Asian Report. As we have seen today, Baykar technology successfully completed 20-second test flight of Bayraktar TB3 drone. We're diving into the fascinating world of Turkish military drones. And in this video, we'll compare two remarkable drones, the Bayraktar TB2 and its newer sibling, the Bayraktar TB3. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. As the defense world knows well that Bayraktar TB2 is a battle-tested, which has seen action in Syria, Libya, Karabakh, and Ukraine. On the other side, the fresh-faced Bayraktar TB3, which recently completed its 20-second successful test flight. Let's see how they stack up. First, let's check out the basic specifications. The Bayraktar TB2 boasts a maximum flight endurance of 27 hours, while the TB3 takes it up a notch with a whopping 50 hours. That's like binge-watching an entire season of your favorite show without recharging. Impressive, right? Now let's talk speed and agility. The TB2 cruises at 120 knots, that's 222 kilometers per hour, but the TB3. Hold your hats. It zips along at 160 knots, 296 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most highway traffic. These drones mean business. The TB2 has been a game changer, no doubt. But the TB3? It's designed for naval warfare. The TCG Anadolu, Turkey's amphibious assault ship, launching and recovering TB3 drones from its deck. Up to 50 of them. That's like having a swarm of high-tech seagulls guarding your ship. Wait, how is the engine? Is it also improved? Behind the scenes, the TB3 packs a punch with its TPD 170 turbo diesel engine, the world's finest, mind you. It's also used in the Thai Axunder drone, which can stay airborne for 49 hours. That's longer than some people's workweeks. So, which drone wins this showdown? Well, the TB2 has its battle scars and global fame, but the TB3 is the new kid on the block, ready to prove itself. Will it mirror the TB2's export success? Only time will tell. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you're Team TB2 or Team TB3, drones are changing the game. Stay curious, stay informed, and catch you in the next video.